Hello everyone! In this video we are going to explore module reports. This module has 6 sections: dashboard, countries, providers, customers, MCCMNC, senders. Reports section, dashboard, is the one you basically can see from the start since you log in. Here we have the basic overall of the present situation with messaging business. With the very first glance, we are giving information to how many countries this month SMS traffic was terminated and how many it was yesterday. How many providers were involved this month and how many yesterday. How many customers were active this month and yesterday. How many messages were terminated this month and how many it was yesterday. Then also right below that you have the list with top countries and its numbers. So we can see the messages sent yesterday, monthly average, and total volumes of this month assigned to these countries from the list. To the right side of it, basically you have the same information that you have in the table, but it's everything expressed in this colorful bar graph. What else in this section is at the bottom of the dashboard is displayed the list with top providers and top customers and its numbers. Speaking of numbers, you see the messages sent yesterday, monthly average and total of this month, and same for the customers. Okay, let's move to the section countries. Once we click here, we enter into the complex global view of the traffic termination, which we can search according to the filters we insert, like data, countries, providers, customers, MCCMNC, type of the route. We see the quantity of the messages submitted per destination, like for instance, first country on the list is Mexico, so 8,462 messages were submitted today. So it's the traffic from today. If we change the filter and insert yesterday, we're gonna have the information of total volumes terminated toward destinations from the list. So like yesterday, there was over 15,000 messages to Mexico. Then we also have the information how many of it was delivered, the ratio of delivery, and the profit. Everything we can export and save like this in the following file formats for further analysis. Next section is providers. Providers is a section with a focus on analyze supplier throughput per destination, control quality in relation to costs, thanks which we are guided to the best performing partners. Same like in the previous section, all of the reports can be exported and saved for further analysis. Exactly the same way. Another section is dedicated for customers. Let's click here. So here we can track the customer's activity from the top to the less active according to the filters we set, like data, country, provider, customer, MCC, type of the route. And same like in the previous sections, we export in the following file formats for the further analysis. Another section is MCCMNC, which is nothing but a drill into operate level performance. Compare MCCMNC behavior per route and guide routing decisions faster. This section includes the same search engine with multiply filters to refine results and further analysis. As you can see on the table, here we have information about the network the traffic was terminated. Here the filter is set for yesterday. So yes, so we have the information given from yesterday. So like you see here, the total volumes terminated toward Mexico were toward Telecel, to Brazil Vivo, to Philippines Globtel, Pecom, etc., etc. Okay, so let's move to another section, senders. Senders. Here we can analyze sender performance per destination, detect errors, and keep quality high according to market specifications, route types, and adjust routing or advise our customers accordingly. So if we want to check the sender ID, we take the destination, like let's say Mexico, we click on it, and we can see that all of the terminated volume to Mexico was with sender ID test. Okay, so well, this is all of the information on the model reports and sections included. Thank you for your attention. Next video, we are going to guide you through the next module, messages. In case of any questions at this stage, do not hesitate to contact us. And of course, I will see you next video.